Complementary angles are two angles that add up to 90 degrees. Supplementary angles are two angles that add up to 180 degrees. So with that in mind, we're going to find the complementary and supplementary angles to the angle 25 degrees, 43 minutes, and 37 seconds. So let's talk about that real quick. Degrees measure rotation, and these are your units for that. You've got degrees, and then you've got minutes, which is a smaller unit. There are 60 minutes in each degree. And then you've got seconds. It's all like time. So there are 60 seconds in each minute. So this is like saying meters, centimeters, millimeters. You've got degrees, minutes, seconds. They're just smaller units of a degree. So with that in mind, if I want to find the complementary angle, then I'm going to have to do, so for complementary, I'm going to do 90 degrees minus 25 degrees, 43 minutes, 37 seconds to find its complement. And supplementary, we're going to do the same thing with 180. Now, we're going to do this by hand. So I'm going to set up the subtraction. I've got 90 degrees minus 25 degrees, 43 minutes, 37 seconds. So I'm going to subtract these angles. Now, I can't subtract the minutes and seconds from nothing. So I need something above my seconds, but there's nothing to borrow from. So I'm going to go to, because right now I've got 90 degrees, and this 90 has 0 minutes and it has 0 seconds. So in order to get something for 37, I have to borrow from 43. In order to get something for 43, I have to borrow from 90. So I'm going to borrow 1 degree. That's going to take the degree down to 89 degrees. That gives me 60 minutes. That gives me 60 minutes in the next column. Now I'm going to borrow 1 minute, so that's going to be 59 minutes now, and that is going to give me 60 seconds that I can subtract from. So 89 degrees, 59 minutes, 60 seconds is the same thing as saying 90 degrees. Now I can subtract those. So I've got 60 minus 37, I get 23 seconds. Then I've got 59 minus 43, that gives me 16 minutes. And then I've got 89 minus 25, which is 64 degrees. So that is my complement. Same thing with 180. You're going to have 180. Let me give myself more room. I'm going to have 180 degrees. That has 0 minutes and 0 seconds attached to it. I'm going to subtract 25 degrees, 43 minutes, 37 seconds from it, which means I'm going to have to borrow in order to, because I can't subtract from nothing, from 0. So I'm going to take that down a degree. That gives me 60 minutes. Then I borrow from the minute column, taking it down to 59, and that gives me 60 seconds. So then I can subtract those, and I'm going to get 23 seconds. I'm going to get 16 minutes. And then I'm going to get 154 degrees. And so that is the supplementary angle.